A bail bond is a financial arrangement made to secure the temporary release of an accused person awaiting trial from custody. It serves as a guarantee that the defendant will appear at all required court proceedings. If the defendant fails to appear in court, the bail bond is forfeited, and the individual who posted the bond may be liable for the full bail amount. Key elements of a bail bond. 1. Bail amount determination. The bail amount is set by the court based on factors such as the severity of the crime, the defendant's criminal history, flight risk, and ties to the community. Purpose. The bail amount is intended to ensure that the defendant returns to court while allowing them to remain free during the trial process. 2. Types of bail bonds. A. Cash bond. Full amount. The defendant or someone on their behalf pays the full bail amount in cash to the court. Refundable. If the defendant complies with all court requirements, the bail amount is refunded at the end of the trial. B. Surety bond. Third-party guarantee. A bail bond agent, bondsman, posts the bail on behalf of the defendant, typically for a non-refundable fee, usually 10–15% of the bail amount. Collateral. The bondsman may require collateral, e.g., property, valuables, to secure the bond. C. Property, bond, real estate. Collateral. The defendant or a third party uses real property, real estate, as collateral to secure the release. Valuation. The property's value must be at least equal to the bail amount, and a lien is placed on the property by the court. D. Personal recognizance, PR, bond, promise to appear. The court releases the defendant based on their promise to appear for all court proceedings, without requiring payment. Eligibility. Typically granted to individuals with strong community ties, low flight risk, and minor charges. 3. Bail bond process. A. Setting bail initial hearing. During the initial court appearance, arraignment or bail hearing, the judge sets the bail amount based on various factors. B. Obtaining a bail bond. Contacting a bondsman. The defendant or their representative contacts a bail bond agent to obtain a surety bond. Payment and collateral. The defendant's representative pays the bondsman's fee and provides any required collateral. C. Release from custody. Posting the bond. The bondsman posts the bail bond with the court, securing the defendant's release from custody. Conditions. The defendant must comply with all conditions of release, such as attending all court appearances and avoiding further legal trouble. 4. Roles and responsibilities. Defendant court appearance. The defendant must attend all court hearings and comply with any conditions set by the court. Bail compliance. Failure to comply with court requirements can result in bond forfeiture and rearrest. B. Bail bond agent posting. Bail. The bondsman posts the bail bond with the court on behalf of the defendant. Monitoring. The bondsman may monitor the defendant's compliance and ensure their appearance in court. C. Court setting. Bail. The judge sets the bail amount and conditions during the initial hearing. Enforcing compliance. The court enforces compliance with bail conditions and handles any issues related to bond forfeiture. 5. Forfeiture and consequences. A. Bond forfeiture. Failure to appear. If the defendant fails to appear in court or violates bail conditions, the bail bond may be forfeited. Liability. The individual who posted the bond, bondsman or defendant, may be liable for the full amount of the bail. B. Rearrest, warrant issuance. A warrant is typically issued for the defendant's arrest if they fail to appear in court. Bondsman action. The bondsman may hire a bounty hunter, bail enforcement agent, to locate and return the defendant to custody. 6. Legal and financial considerations. A. Non-refundable fees. Bondsman fee. The fee paid to the bail bond agent is non-refundable, even if the defendant complies with all court requirements. B. Collateral risks, property risks. If the defendant fails to comply, the collateral, e.g., real estate, valuables, used to secure the bond may be forfeited. C. Legal rights, right to bail. The right to reasonable bail is protected under the 8th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, except in certain cases, e.g., capital crimes, flight risk. Legal counsel. Defendants have the right to legal counsel throughout the bail process and court proceedings.